Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for SSC exams. Start by building a strong foundation in core concepts. Focus on understanding the basics of atomic structure, chemical bonding, and the periodic table. Knowing element symbols and their properties is crucial. Dedicate time to practicing balancing chemical equations. This skill is fundamental and will significantly improve your problem-solving abilities. Consistent effort in these areas will set you up for success. To study effectively, develop smart techniques. Make concise notes and flashcards for quick revision of important formulas and definitions. Solving past examination papers and sample questions is essential to understand the question patterns and common topics. Additionally, use diagrams and visual aids to help you grasp complex reaction mechanisms and molecular structures. These methods will enhance your understanding and retention of key information. Consistent practice is vital for mastering chemistry. Regularly solve numerical problems to apply your theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. It's important to focus on understanding the step-by-step process rather than simply memorizing solutions. After attempting problems, review any incorrect answers thoroughly. Learning from your mistakes is a powerful way to solidify your understanding and improve your problem-solving skills over time. For exam success, a solid revision and strategy are key. Schedule dedicated revision sessions for all topics, ensuring you cover everything before the exams. Prioritize high-weightage chapters and frequently asked questions to maximize your score. During the exam, manage your time effectively. Allocate specific minutes to each section to ensure you attempt all questions. Stay calm and confident and trust in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.